Discover the hidden gem of French Polynesia, Maupiti. With its pristine beaches, azure waters, and vibrant marine life, Maupiti offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. But how do you unlock the full potential of this secluded paradise? Timing is everything. For water enthusiasts, June to August is prime time for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. However, this peak season also means peak prices. For a quieter and more budget-friendly experience, consider December to February. Yes, it's the wet season, but a little rain might just enhance the island's lush beauty. Where to stay? From luxury overwater bungalows at Tahiiti Island Resort and Spa to the cozy ocean view rooms of Pension Tupuna, Maupiti caters to all. Or perhaps you prefer the independence of a vacation rental like Maupiti Residence, with its private beach access. Dive into Maupiti's activities, literally. Snorkel through coral gardens with Maupiti Express, or conquer Mount Tirafatu for breathtaking views. Immerse yourself in Polynesian culture with the Tafaru Family's Tour, complete with traditional dance and cooking classes. Getting around Maupiti is an adventure in itself. With no cars or public transport, embrace the simplicity of biking or walking. For aquatic exploration, boat tours and kayak rentals offer a gateway to the lagoon's wonders. Feast on local flavors at La Coco Beach Dining Room, or unwind at Le Reef Restaurant with a casual meal by the sea. For a taste of luxury, the gourmet restaurants at Tahiiti Island Resort and Spa are a culinary delight. Maupiti is a treasure trove of experiences. Whether it's the perfect time to visit, the ideal accommodation, thrilling activities, convenient transportation, or delectable dining, planning ahead ensures a seamless and enchanting Maupiti adventure. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventures.